Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanta Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology. Now starting with practical number 2 of Basic Mechanical Engineering. Aim to study, identify the components of reaction turbine model. Okay, components. Spiral casing. Spiral casing means it is a spiral casing uniformly decreasing cross-sectional area along the circumference. It decreases the cross-sectional area, makes sure that we have the uniform velocity of the water striking the runner blade, as we have openings of the water flow into the runner blade for the very starting of the casing, so pressure would be decreased as in travels along with the casing. So we reduce the cross sectional area along its circumference to make the pressure uniform, thus uniform momentum or the velocity strike the runner. Guide vanes are installed in the spiral casing. Their most important function is to make sure that the water striking the runner blades must have the direction along the length of the axis of the turbine, otherwise the flow would be highly swirling as it moves through the spiral casing, make it inefficient to rotate the runner blades. The angle of these guide vanes is adjustable in the model turbine. We have adjusted the water flow varying angle the guide vanes according to the load of the on the turbine. Okay, there is the two components, spiral casing and guide vanes. Third one is runner blade are said to be the heart of the reaction turbine. It is shape of the runner blade which you use the pressure energy of water into the run turbine. Their design plays a major role in deciding the efficiency of turbine. In modern turbine, this blade can pitch out their axis, thus can vary the pressure force acting on them according to the load and available pressure. Fourth is draft tube. Draft tube connects the runner axis to the tail race in cross-sectional area. Increase along its length as the water coming out from the runner blade. It is considerably low pressure, so it expanding the cross sectional area helps to recover the pressure as the flow towards the tail race. Applications: reaction turbine is used to in the wind power mill to generate electricity. It is the most widely used turbine in hydropower plant to generate electricity. It is the only turbine to get the maximum power output for the low available water head and high velocity other than the cross sectional flow turbine, which not efficient. Okay, the component and application we have studied. Thank you.